And this is how we ended up with under $200 our Thanksgiving meal. And literally only was $100. Only 100 we spent all of this. So incredible, right? And look how much food we have. At least for 10 people. That's for sure. From the carrots, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, the chicken, the corn, the Brussels sprouts. You gotta do my recipe regardless. So freaking good. This one, insane, insane. Check it out, insane. It's just so good. And the sweet potato, less than 200, which was $100 with a meal. What do you guys really think? That was worth it?